So this is an update on a live surgery I was recently asked to do in Istanbul, Turkey at the Eurasian meeting. We did this surgery live with 700 people in the audience working at the American Hospital. I'd like to go through the steps of how we prepared the case and then showing the operation and the early recovery period where I've been fortunate to have the patient sending me pictures on a weekly basis. So first of all, this is the patient. She's 45 years of age and she has signs of aging that are characterized by loss of volume in her cheeks, downturned the corners of her mouth, and you can see the fullness in her neck. So we designed an operation that would reverse these findings. I used the design, this is interoperatively, I'm explaining this to the audience who are watching me from remote control from the auditorium. There are 5 cameras in the room to see the different angles of the surgery. So during the surgery, we have monitors in the room so everyone is watching. We have monitors in the auditorium so everyone can see. So we're performing the surgery, a demonstration for all the people to your Eurasian meeting. So when we see this patient at 48 hours, this was the unveiling at the meeting, the first pictures. We can see her 2 days after surgery. She was done on a Saturday. This is the following Monday. We can see the improvement in the facial shape. We see improvement in the neck. And we can see improvement in the jawline. And you can see the purple marks on her face are from the markings we use interoperatively. So she sent me pictures over time. This is her pictures at 7 days post-operatively. You can see the shape of her face has been restored to a much more appropriate triangle. The looseness in her neck has now been turned into a 90-degree angle, and the jawline, which was lost, has been restored. You can see the incisions are healing beautifully. As we watch the progress, at 2 weeks after surgery, you can appreciate the neck has been improved in both angles, and the beautiful shape to her face has been restored. Now when we look at these pictures from 20 years of age, you see the jawline is very familiar in her shape compared to where she had gone to over the ensuing 30 years. 18 years of age versus 2 weeks after surgery, her face has a much more sculpted and more attractive appearance for the way the face is viewed in 2019. And finally, we see the most recent pictures from 3 weeks post-operatively. These were done this weekend. You can see hot off the press that beautiful improvement in the facial shape. You see the corners of the mouth have been turned up with the fat injections. The lip volume and ratio has been restored. The cheeks have been restored. We've been able to restore a beautiful contour to her neck. And this is a 3-week post-operative picture. And then we like to always do these comparison pictures. These were in a youthful picture. Look at that beautiful triangle. We've restored that. This is a very young picture, 18 years of age. Here we are 3 weeks post-operatively with beautiful restoration of that facial profile. So this is the update from the most recent live surgery I performed in Istanbul, Turkey for all of my fans to see.